I'm Vanessa, and I'm from Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Through a friend, she actually told me about them, and they do rhinoplasties, and she knew from a long time that I wanted to do rhinoplasty, so she's like, you know what, let's do it together. I'm like, I'm so down.
Brilliant.
Honestly, in the beginning, I was kind of scared because I'm like, I'm going abroad from Canada to Istanbul. But when I actually got in, I was completely shocked. Like, I was literally like head over heels. I'm like, I feel like I'm in Canada. Like, it's crazy. But clean, amazing, great, loved it. Oh, transfer service was amazing. It was on time, it was clean, driver was amazing, made me feel comfortable, literally made me feel like I was at home. I love it. Honestly, I want to come back here, not with surgery, but come here for a vacation because it's amazing. I'm obsessed. Don't even, like, I love my results. Like, it's over the top. Like, this side profile, like, I can't wait till after, like, a year because I'm going to be taking so much pictures for the gram. I love it. I'm obsessed. Amazing. Honestly, Yogi and Urdram are amazing. Made us feel super comfortable, super helpful. Every time I asked questions, they always responded. Great. 110%.
Surgero, your surgery hero.